Let's go see if naay tao sa couch. Kasi, because, wala lang. Try mo na lang mag-vlogging.
Shit, kayo.
Wala na ka?
O, bago nga nabot.
Legit, nag-chat ko sa iyo ko. Kaya nag-online, magod ka.
Wala mo ka na, wala ko kaano kay, grabe ang jeep kay, oh my god, huot ka, ayaw ka pala, baka one side of my butt ra akong sa inasigo at
Nakainga na pag ko.
naman mo siya, pero kung naka-cover.
Change of plans, mag-calf.
I make kamuli at noon.
I do it every day. The calf is so crowded today.
Like that one symbol.
Matulugon ko ba na to? Klase pa sila eh.
Ha?
Nagklase pa sila.
Let them fall, here you go, go, go.
We like meeting new people. I miss my friends.
Baka miss malaki ka ng volcano.
Oh, what?
Kanang volcano nga project.
Oh, yeah. I don't know how to work in public. Hala, bayot. Hala, bayot. Oh, pwede naman sulod. Sulod sa ako.
Malala, sunod sa ako.
First class done. Hi, say hi to the vlog.
Hi. I wanna go home.
Same.
Okay, so here's my prostate photo, guys.
Did you take a picture?
Christian siya guys, overlook just like a splendid love song, enthusiastic to get you start to play along. God feels wrong that you know you I just realized last one, God he loved his girl for so long. I can do story time. What's up?
Cheese It's health break. Let's go.
Argentina, magkapan ko.
Hi guys. Diary.
Wow, init.
Finally.
Vitamin D?
Yes.
Magpainit sa ako din, my God. Oh my gosh.
Who is that mofo? Hello, who is that?
I didn't know.
New hair.
Yes.
Is that a video?
Yes, it's gonna be a vlog.
I wanna
Finally
cut my
post.
hair and dye it orange with my mom.
Orange?
Orange. Why orange?
Hi, Esa.
We're done with our research subject. It's basic. Do you understand? Explain it.
You can see it on the board.
Basic count. We're done. Huh? We're done with class.
Hello.
We're done with class. Look at the stuff. Yay! Ha?
Sabay ka. Ano sabay?
Here, okay.
Ay, vlog. Hello, guys.
Hello guys, nag-vlogging na dyan ko. Yeah.
Makita na tong ano,
Because na ako real.
Day.
This is the day in my life. Ano ba po sila? Cherries! Look at the sun. Isn't it neat? Nagkapila na ta nagawas ba?
And close.
It's so hot. Let's go explore the booth. Let's katulugon ng actually. Ano ko yung sleep check? Sleep check. Abot ko makita.
Kanina daw, ang naana daw dito tanan pang i-post sa kato sa 12 vlog.
Oh. Mag-photo daw ka pa
Selective
ta.
kayo kung mag, ano, kung wala daw ako yan, no. Ay, layo na ako, ana.
Wala na pala na.
Layo na ako, ana. Pag amoy